You're welcome to Maths Key Point. We shall be treating significant figures. Let's dive in. So, significant figures. This can simply be defined as the positioning of a non-zero digits in a numeral. We say non-zero digits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, provided it is not what? 0. Now, it can also be defined as a way of rounding off a number, especially when you're reading that number from left to where? To right. If you have a number 1, 2, 3, 4.6, you are asked to round it off to 3 significant figures. You have to read from this 1 towards the 6, as in from 1 towards what? The 6. Here is from left to what? To right. Also remember that this is applicable to both decimals and whole numbers. Take note of that. I said it's applicable to both what? Decimals and what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers are numbers that have no decimal. Remember, example, 3 is a whole number. 10 is a whole number. There is no what? Decimal. Okay, now, in this channel, we give you the key points to enable you answer any question in all the topics we are going to treat. The questions that you will see in your WAEC, your NECO exam, your GC exam, and your JAMB exam. Once you follow our key points, you'll be able to do justice to any question you find, especially on the topics we have treated. Now, we have some rules that is applicable to significant figures. If you follow them the way we are going to teach you, you'll be able to answer every question. Now, the first rule is this. We have what we call rounding up, and we also have what? Rounding down of a number. Now, example for the rounding up. Numbers such as 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are usually what? Rounded up. While numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and what? 4 are normally what? Rounded down. I take it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are rounded what? Up. While 1, 2, 3, 4 are rounded what? Down. Now let's take one example. Let's say round 3.2 and 3.5 to the nearest whole number. Now, solution to this, 3.2 is going to be equal to what? 3. This is the answer to the nearest what? Whole number. Why? Because this 2 is not up to 5. So what do? We round down. We round it down to what? To 0. So there's no need of writing the 0 here. So we just allow it to be what? A whole number. Because they said a whole number. And a whole number does not have what? A decimal place. So the answer 3 is the answer. Now, 3.5 is going to be what? Equal to what? 4 to the nearest whole number. Why? Because this figure here, 5, is equal to 5, or it may be what? Greater than 5. So because of that, we round up. So now, because it is 5, we round up this 3 to be what? 4. So we round up this 5 here, we take it to this 3. By rounding this 3 up, we are adding 1 to it. So the 3 now becomes what? 4. That is why 4 is the answer. Now, the next rule, any number that is not 0 is what? Significant. Any number that is not 0 is what? Significant. What do I mean by that? Example, if you have 32.567, this simply means we have what? 5 significant figures here, because they are what? Non-zero. So the first one here, the first digit here is what? 3. This is the first significant, 2 is the second, 5 is the third, 6 is the fourth, and 7 is the fifth. So we have 5 significant figures, because what? The rule says any number that is not 0 is what? Significant. Therefore, 32.567 is equal to 5 significant what? Figures. Take note of that. Now, the third one says whenever you have zeros in the middle of a non-zero number, that whenever you have zeros in the middle of a non-zero number, that 0 is what? Significant. He's saying what? The 0, that is the 0 is what? Significant. Example, if you have 101, this is what? 3 significant what? Figures, because this one here is significant. There is 0 in between 2 non-zeros, so it makes the 0 in between them what? Significant. And then the third one, which is a non-zero, is also what? Significant. So we have first significant, second significant, and the third word significant. So we have 3 significant word figures. Another one, 2.004. This simply means we have what? 4 significant word figures. As easy as what? ABCD. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel for more of this. Thank you.